Welcome to the online classes of Deepal School Jasipur. Today we will read about the SST of class 5. So this is your book Prachi Excellence in Social Studies 5. So all of you see lesson 3 weather and climate. So in the previous class we discussed about the factors influencing the climate. What are the factors which influences the climate? So in the factors we discussed about the temperature, the distance from the equator, height above the sea level and distance from the sea. How these four factors affect the change of climate, how they influence to change the climate. And today let us see about three other factors that influence the change of climate. One is direction of the wind. The winds blowing from hot regions bring high temperature, while those blowing from cold regions bring low temperature. The wind passing over water bodies are full of moisture and provide rain. So in this way, as we studied in the previous class, that the wind blowing from hot regions bring high temperature. So the wind which is very hot and which is blowing from the hot areas, it contains high temperature. In the same way, this high temperature which is obtained from the hot winds blowing from the hot regions make a particular place very hot. The climate becomes hot due to the hot blowing winds, and similarly the cold blowing wind, the wind which is very cold, when it is blowing towards a particular place, it brings low temperature. Okay, and when the winds passing over water bodies, okay, so the wind which is passing over the water bodies, if the wind is hot, it evaporates the water from the water bodies, and these water vapors along with the wind, they passes towards a particular place. And when this humid and moisture, you can say wind, collides with any mountain or any standing body, it causes rain in that particular place. So in this way, the direction of wind where it is blowing can give a prompting to the rain. So the climate of a particular place, whether it will be very hot or whether it will very cold, whether it will cause rain, is also depends on the direction of the winds which blows from sea to the land or from land to the sea. Next is humidity and rainfall. The amount of moisture or water vapor present in the air is called humidity. So what is humidity? Humidity is nothing but the amount of moisture or the water droplets or the water vapor which present in the air of a particular place. The wind blowing from the sea or ocean increases the humidity in air. So why the wind blowing from the sea or ocean increases the humidity of the air? Because the wind which is blowing over the sea has what is called water vapors in them. When the sea or ocean water gets heat up by the sun, the water from the sea and ocean evaporates, and this evaporated water is collected in the wind which is blowing from the sea. When this evaporated water or the water droplets in the form of water vapor are collected in the air or the wind, they are pushed towards the land by the wind which is blowing from the sea, and thus the wind collects the water vapor from the ocean and sea and brings towards the land. And when it collides with any mountain range, it causes rain, heavy rainfall. The amount of rainfall and its annual distribution has great effect on the climatic condition. So in this way, the humidity and the rainfall are also a factor of the climatic change. Ocean currents. Ocean have both warm and cold currents. These currents affect the climate of the coastal area. So as we know, the different climatic regions of the world have different type of currents, different oceans. So oceans have both the warm and cold currents. In some places ocean have warm current, in some places they have cold currents. So due to the warm and cold currents of the oceans, the movement of the wind from the sea or towards the sea are taken place. So in this way, the ocean currents also take part in the formation, in the change of climatic conditions of various particular places. The ocean currents play a heavy role whether a place will get enough rain, whether a place will remain desert, whether the place will become a land of extreme climate. All these things are uh, decided by the ocean currents, whether it is warm ocean current or cold ocean current. So in this way this chapter is completed. So let us overview again. So first thing is weather. What is weather? What is climate? So difference between weather and climate. This can also be a question of possibility. Okay. So weather and climate are there. Factors are there which influence the climate. Some factors are temperature, distance from the equator, the height above the sea level, distance from the sea, direction of winds, humidity and rainfall, and finally ocean currents. So this much for today. In the next class we will discuss about the question answer. Thank you.